Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark with GeorgeToon.com. I'm back in our video. Well, this is an update follow-up video about Daxton aftershave. You saw me talk about this in a previous video. This is the Family Dollar version of Brut. You can get this at Family Dollar for $1.85 and you get 9 fluid ounces. And of course on the label they say compare it to Brut. And it does have a very, very similar scent, although I didn't have any Brut available at the time. Well, since then, I've gone out and I've gotten a bottle of Brut. This is 5 fluid ounces. I believe I got this at CVS, I think, and it was about $5.50. And you can get this at any big box store, a 5 fluid ounce bottle, a 7 fluid ounce bottle, anywhere from $5 to $7, depending on the big box store that you go to. This stuff is really good. It really, really is good. And I will tell you right now, doing a side-by-side comparison, yeah, that's got a terrific, terrific masculine scent. And Daxton, does it have a similar scent? Yes, it does. But there is a weaker quality to it. It does have that same scent, but it's not as fragrant. It's not as fragrant, or it doesn't have that punch to it, so to speak. It's almost as if it's diluted just a little bit. However, for $1.85, it is darn close to the original. Now, you know, it's up to you. 9 fluid ounces for $1.85, 5 fluid ounces of the real McCoy for anywhere from $5 to $7. All depends on what you want. But I can tell you that it does have a similar scent to Brut, but it's not as strong. That's what it comes down to. It's just not as strong. But it is very close. But the real thing right here, Brut, this stuff is really, really very, very good. Yeah, it's unmistakable. You know what it is. And it's really, really terrific. It is worth paying the extra money for it. But you know what? If you're on a budget and you want to use something every single day and really get into the bargain area of aftershaves, this is not bad. Not bad at all. It's good, not bad, but really it doesn't surpass the real thing. Brut is a really, really good men's aftershave. It has a great masculine scent to it. And really at $5, you know, it's not a lot of money for 5 fluid ounces. Okay, you know, it's up to you, but they're both very, very good. But yeah, this is unmistakable masculine scent, no doubt about it. Very rich, very full, very vibrant, you know, classic masculine scent. All right, that's it. Thanks very, very much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Please share, please subscribe. Hit that bell so it'll give you a yell the next time I upload a video. Comment below. Let me know. Do you use either of these? Please check out my blog, GeorgeToon.com/blog, for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this, and I'll see you again real soon.